We bought this table for our cabin. It's a solid wood pine table. It's nice and small because we have a small cabin up in the mountains. So we bought this table specifically for this cabin. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. All right, and that's what the table looks like. So we actually chose this table because we wanted it to be compact into a box so we could put it in the truck and bring it up here. We're pretty far away from anything out here. So if it would have been a fully put together table, then we wouldn't have been able to carry much. So that's actually a plus for us. It is a nice table and chairs. It's nice and sturdy after you get it all put together, and it's tightened. And it's perfect size for like a smaller cabin. This is about a 600 square foot cabin. I kind of call it our tiny house, but anyways, this will fit really well in a small cabin area. We plan on basically just putting it against the wall and using it with 2 chairs, but it can also be used with 4 chairs because it comes with 4. So anyways, this is it. And as you can see, it kind of matches the cabin motif. We have pine. They call it beetlewood pine or something like that. I don't know, but this matches it pretty close. So this is going to work out really well for us. All right, well, hopefully this video was useful. If you haven't done so already, if you would subscribe to the channel, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.